Hello everyone. So yeah. So wait. Hello. So yeah. Um so first is that I would like to say thank you for this opportunity, and I am super excited to be part of your team. So I am your confident, competent, cheerful Christina, but you can call me Teen for short. Your talented and trustworthy partner is here, so I am highly motivated with my dedication and passion for this position, and I am a highly organized and detail oriented. I really make sure that everything is on time and I meet the deadlines ahead of time. And of course, I have my special skills with me, which is I do have my daily updates to my clients, to my bosses, and of course, I am a fast learner. I can easily adapt into a new environment, into a new technology, and of course, I am a freelancer. I am a problem solver, and I can help you to, to do the rest of your work. And of course, is that I am looking forward for this opportunity, and I am very much confident that my valuable skills are the best candidate for this position. And yes, and of course, I am looking forward for this opportunity to grow within this role. So yeah. So the next question would be are what are the strength or what is my weaknesses, and of course what are those skills that I have. So first is that my skills focus on the admin works, like the administrative tasks, doing the email management, calendar management, using the analytic tools like the Google Workspace, the Google Docs, the Google Spreadsheet, the presentation, and the meetings. And of course, I am proficient in doing the organization task, which is I I use and I am proficient with the analytic tools like the Trello, especially the Asana. So I am more, I love the Asana itself because it's an easy access for everybody, because you can communicate to each and everyone, like to the team, on the colleagues that we have. And of course, um, it's an easy access because based on my personal experience, I do the Asana as my task management, doing my personal things in life. And of course, um, I can share that I am a content creator also. I create content. I do have my own YouTube channel, and of course, is that I'm handling and I am working with professionals here in the Philippines, and I am with them. I've been working with them. Bakit?
Bakit yung handling professionals ka naman? Ano yun?
Ha?
Ano yung handling professionals ka naman?
Basta may inaano ako. Minamemorize ako.
Hindi pwede mo sabi lang na nag-handle ka na ano. No? Tanongin sa mga professional.
Professional kasi yung tawag sa mga taong pinakatrabahuan.
Sige.
So I've been working with different kind of professionals, like a gamer, a mom, and of course a chef. Yes, I've been working with them, and of course I've been in this kind of industry on the graphic design and video editing for almost 4 years up until now, and I've been working with the um, specific businesses, like I work with the cosmetics, and of course the skincare industry and the food business industry, wherein I created their logo, their business logos, their business product layouts. I create that, the menu, and of course brochures for their upcoming um, release, new release of the product itself. And yeah, that's the skills that I have. So I, on the other hand, I will go back on the focusing skills, which is the admin work. So first is that my skills focus on admin works, on doing administrative tasks like email management, calendar management, scheduling, posting, creating content on the specific social media platform, and of course, I can contribute also my graphic design and video editing skills, wherein I've been here in this kind of industry since um way back. It's been 4 years up until now. I've been doing the graphic design and video editing, wherein I am a freelancer for that field, and I've been working with a lot of professionals. Like I have a client where, to be honest, the clients that I have is from here, in the Philippines, and of course I've been working with them. I created the thumbnail for their YouTube channel, and of course the product layouts of their products, because I've been working with such a cosmetic products, doing their product layouts, and of course on the business logos of them I created also, and I can send, and if you don't mind, I send you the portfolio of mine. So I hope you review and you see you see those freelancer projects of mine. So yeah, tapos ano pa yon, yung parang strength ganun. So basically my strength focus on the special skills of mine. So I am highly organized and detail oriented. I really make sure that everything is on time, and also I am highly motivated with my position, and also I have my special skills, wherein I have my daily updates. I need to have a daily updates to my clients, and of course is that I have my valuable skills with me, and I do believe that my consistency skills are the best weapon among the applicants. Yes, because consistency is is something crucial to be performed, because not all candidates can be a consistent when it comes on providing on the good quality service, because I believe in myself that I have my proactive approach, wherein it's a best tandem to contribute my bright ideas to your team. So yeah. On the other hand, my weakness is that I have my weakness on the public speaking, because for now, I don't have the confidence to, to talk on the public, but I am enhancing it. I watch videos how to enhance and how to overcome the weakness that I have. So yeah. So where do you find our company? So basically, I have a lot of job posting that I've been applying for, and I cannot remember where I met you, where I saw your job posting. So I am very much thankful that you consider my application, and you give this opportunity of mine to talk with you tonight. So yeah. So how about um Naka 10 minutes na pala ako nagsasalita dito. So, yeah. How about the salary? So, basically, based on my research upon the position that I am applying for, is that it's between $5 to $10 per hour, and yeah, basically, that's the range of the um hour rate for the position that I am applying. And on the graphic design position is I offer a package deal, which is I can discuss a lot more for the package deal of mine on the social media management, and of course on the graphic design and video editing. So yeah, thank you.